Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream your favorite mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now that wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, I will advise you to update your TikTok application to the latest version. So open your App Store or your Play Store and then search for TikTok. Now make sure your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. So if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated. As you can see over here, I have updated my TikTok, so I'm using the latest version of the TikTok application. Now once you are done, all you want to do is to just go ahead and open your TikTok over here. And once you open your TikTok, you can see from here the plus sign in the middle. Click on this plus sign and then click on live. Now once you click on live, you can see so many options over here. There are a lot of options over here. Once you click on live, you can see device camera. This is where where you want to show your face, normal video, live streaming, and you can see mobile gaming, and you can see live studio. Live studio works with desktop. On your desktop you can do that, but here we want to use mobile gaming, so you can see the mobile game over here. Now in the first place, you can select the game you want to play over here, and you can see Call of Duty, you can see eFootball, you can see a lot of games over here. So select the game that you want to play. If your game is not here, you can select the last option, which is other game. So once you have selected your game, depending on the game that you selected, some of the games are in portrait mode, and you can see others too are in landscape. So you can see landscape over here. Some of the games you have to tilt your phone or adjust your phone in landscape or in portrait mode. So depending on the game that you select over here, so you can also add your live goal over here. So there are settings. Click on settings, and there you can select your moderators, and about me you can select a poll, and other options over here. You can see comment settings over here, so you can see filter comment, allow comment, block keywords and all that. So depending on you, it depends on you. You can set it to any, and you can choose to share. You can see play together over here, and we have promote, and we have list. All the options are here. So once you are done with the settings, depending on what you want, on what you want to show your audience, once you are done with all these settings, you can see subscription. Once you are done with all these settings, click on go live, and once you click on go live, it will start a screen recording. So select your game and start playing or live streaming your favorite game on TikTok. So with this, you can easily live stream all your favorite mobile games. So all you need to do is to select the games over here. If your game is not here, just click on other game. So select the game, and then once you have selected your game, click on go live, and then just select the game and start playing your favorite game, and this game will be live streamed to your audience on TikTok. So with this, your followers or anyone can just watch you whilst you are live streaming your favorite mobile games on TikTok. If you are not getting this option, let me know under the comment section, because this is very simple and you can play any game on your TikTok account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.